It's state-of-the-art. It is totally self-contained. It can be used safely and cost-effectively on many different jobs and in many different locations. VacuHoist reduces the cost of dealing with lift-related injuries, a big headache these days, and worker downtime and absenteeism. VacuHoist can also help improve your company's productivity by increasing the speed by which workers can move their loads, as well as cutting down on the number of workers needed to lift the loads. Thousands of companies, large and small, in food, chemical, high-tech, and general industry, are already using VacuHoist successfully in dozens of different plant applications. In fact, there are several thousand VacuHoists in use today. There's nothing really new about using vacuum as a lifting device. But the revolutionary VacuHoist vacuum system is also used for holding and lowering. VacuHoist is strong, like lifting this 250-pound drum, but gentle, easy to operate. VacuHoist can lift and move almost anything in almost any shape, size, or material. Bags and boxes, of course, but also difficult-to-handle materials and pails. The lifting principle is based on the fact that the tube can be lengthened and shortened. When it contracts, it lifts. When it is lengthened, it lowers. Now, let's look at the foot. The vacuum is controlled by the fingers of one hand. Press it down, and the vacuum is reduced, and the tube is lengthened, and the load is lowered. Squeeze the operating handle, and the tube contracts and lifts. Nothing could be more simple. Now we will show the two working levels. You can fix both at any level you wish. This knob is used for setting the load height. This little screw is for adjusting the tube height, the height you want the suction foot to assume when not in use. Of course, different suction feet are required and are available for different loads, vastly increasing the flexibility of VacuHoist. This is the standard suction foot for bags. It's easy to change suction feet from one application to another due to these quick releases. It's as simple as this. Anyone can do it. No special training is needed. These are the suction feet for lifting boxes and cartons. These are for pails and drums. This one is even for TV screens. Any load can be swiveled 360 degrees, and with the angle adapter, it can be tilted up to 90 degrees as well. For large objects such as doors, plate glass, or metal sheets, an extended handle is available. Let's talk about safety. If the current should fail, the load will not fall to the ground. Instead, the non-return valve will close automatically, and the load will sink slowly and gently and safely to the floor. Let's go over some of the technical aspects of the remarkable VacuHoist. The vacuum pump is powered by an electric motor. The totally enclosed fan-cooled motor is 5 horsepower, manufactured in the United States and NEMA rated, UL approved. Different motors are available in different voltages, as well as an explosion-proof model. The pump with an enclosed timing belt is a 2-stage gas ring type. The pump can be placed up to 150 feet away from the load while maintaining full rated capacity. Next, the filters shown here come in heavy-duty and fin style. The lifting tube is made of strong neoprene, a modern composite material. It is a tough plastic outer coating with reinforced wire inside. A second layer of neoprene coats the inside. Let's talk for a moment about noise. VacuHoist, with its special muffler, is known to be quieter than any other vacuum lifting device in the field. And there are thousands of VacuHoists worldwide in continuous operation, which speaks well for VacuHoist quiet and VacuHoist quality. VacuHoist is solidly constructed of high-quality stainless steel. The blue protective lift tube cover is available for the mini, standard, and double unit. A bridge crane shown here, which is manufactured to the highest industry standards, is one system of supporting the VacuHoist which allows free travel forwards and sideways. VacuHoist is readily available from a national network of distributors. Service, and this is why VacuHoist is the leader in the industry, is taken care of promptly by calling our toll-free 800 number or one of our regional managers. VacuHoists are in use by such leading companies as Ford Motor Company, IBM, Pillsbury, Air Products, Weight Watchers, 3M, Continental Baking, Campbell Soup, Pitney Bowes, Goodyear Tire, DuPont, Mobile Chemical, and the U.S. government, among others. VacuHoist is sold worldwide and is made available by Bala and Thrall Incorporated, a leading supplier of industrial products since 1933. For more information, call 1-800-223-6430 or contact your local VacuHoist dealer. And remember, VacuHoist is the state-of-the-art lifting system. It lifts bags, boxes, pails, drums, and almost anything else quickly and easily, reducing lift-related back injuries, downtime, and worker absenteeism. VacuHoist, it's the best way to lift the load.